Our Earth, the only habitable planet known to man, home to 7.7 billion people and an estimated 8.7 million animal species. 8 of 10 land species live in forests, and unfortunately, the rate of deforestation has been increasing. Trees, the Earth's natural air conditioner, are vital for the Earth's survival. Trees are the ones that produce oxygen, the gas that is essential for us humans and animal species' lives. Trees also provide shelter and habitats for animals like birds, insects, tigers, monkeys, etc. Trees also absorb and block sound, which then reduces noise pollution. So, why does deforestation occur? According to WWF, most deforestation is carried out to clear land for food production. Many of the agricultural lands now were most likely forests centuries ago. So farming, grazing of livestock, mining, etc. are all causes of deforestation. Now let me talk about the effects of deforestation. First of all, there will be an expansion in the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This will then make the global temperature rise and increase climate change. Deforestation also takes away natural habitats for many animals that rely on trees for shelter. This heavily impacts our ecosystem. Deforestation also disturbs the natural water cycle. Trees are responsible for controlling the water cycle, and once there are little to no trees, there is going to be drier soil and cause droughts. Droughts then cause the inability to grow crops, which then causes starvation among the population. These are just 3 effects of deforestation out of the many more. So, in my opinion, deforestation, I personally think we need to plant more trees as it is the only way to slow down deforestation. Although it is a high accomplishment, if we stay as a united group and work together, we'll be getting closer to solving the problem. In my opinion, there should be stricter laws against deforestation. We should also recycle items that use trees so we can be less dependent on growing trees. Campaigns about deforestation and raising awareness is also extremely important. So, in conclusion, I think we can slow down the rate of deforestation and prolong the longevity of the Earth. Thanks for watching.
Forests cover about 30% of the world. It provides home for over 30 million species such as these animals here. These animals depend on the forest, which is a very important ecosystem. But humans continue to be the leading factor in the destruction of these forests. 1.5 acres of forest are cut down every second. We cut or burn down large areas of the forest for our own benefit. Agricultural purposes, iron mining, as well as urbanization. They turn large luscious forests into this. Flat land in which used to be full of green trees and abundant life is now brown and plain with little biodiversity, causing many animals to lose their homes, their families, and even their lives. However, animals are not the only ones affected by deforestation. The climate is also affected. Deforestation is the leading factor in global warming due to the grand emissions of carbon dioxide it produces. There is also an increase in carbon dioxide in the air because there are less trees to undergo photosynthesis. Deforestation also brings more floods and more soil erosion, causing landslides to become more common. There are a lot of negative effects that come from deforestation, but it's still not too late to change things around. We can work together to recover our rainforests and continue to reserve them. We can replant forests that have been destroyed by fire or felling to restore the trees and wildlife that was once there. Land use planning is another solution. We can use environmentally friendly techniques like urban agriculture and lessening suburban sprawl to cut back on deforestation. Recycling is also another great technique. Reusing and reducing the use of artificial items can immensely reduce deforestation. These are all ways that we can come together and put an end to mass deforestation. It is estimated that in 100 years that all of the Earth's rainforest will be gone. We owe it to nature to protect the Earth from further destruction. Be green and save the planet.